Hello everyone and welcome to this little video. Today we are going to discuss the question, are the YouTube analytics and are the channel analytics on your YouTube channel, especially the revenue, because this is in the end what interests us most. Is this accurate? And is this actually the amount that you will be paid out in the end on AdSense? So this is what I want to share with you today, because when you go to your channel analytics in your YouTube studio, you have these different features here, and if you click on revenue and you hit estimated revenue, I selected now the month of April, so just last April. I just recently started with YouTube. You can see here there was quite a peak where I earned $317 and $319 in a single day, which is obviously a lot for me. This was because I made videos for how to buy Elongate and how to buy SAFEMOON, so two cryptocurrencies. I can put the link in the description if you're interested in what these videos were. And during this time, people really started investing into these new cryptocurrencies. So it was lucky for me with the course that I also invested in, the views, the YouTube views, and with this obviously the revenue also went really high in these couple of days there. And now normally it's fine. I still make $20 or whatever every day from YouTube, so that's pretty cool. I asked myself the question, is it accurate what you get with the analytics here? Is it accurate? I compared the numbers that I earned in April on YouTube, which is basically, if I select April here, you see, okay, $1,814.06. If you convert it to euros, because my AdSense is in euros and everything is in euros for me in Germany, that's right now 1,492 euros. Keep this number in mind, because now when I go to my AdSense account, it says that my balance is 1,520 euros. So that's nearly 30 euros more than what I have seen on my channel analytics. And I was a bit surprised about this, and I haven't really found an answer to this online. I was thinking, hey, maybe AdSense is there's a conversion fee or whatever to euros, but this would just make it less and not more. So I really don't understand. And the only explanation for me is that it is a bit lower than what you actually get, the channel analytics. Because if I look here, 1,814, as I said, that's nearly 30 euros more. And I know there were 2 euros before this on my AdSense account, so 2 euros that I hadn't withdrawn yet, that were added to last month's income basically. And this AdSense account here is only from my YouTube channel. I have no other pages connected to this. So I got quite positively surprised when I saw, okay, for this month I got 30 euros more than what I see on my channel analytics. By the way, you can do the same thing, guys. If you're here on overview, you can see the views, you can see the watch time, the subscribers, your estimated revenue. It's the same thing there or there. So recently, obviously, I've been really happy that my YouTube channel is growing quite a bit. Hit the subscribe button if these tutorials that I'm making here on my channel are helping you in any way. But in this little video, I just want to let you know that my experience has shown, if you're asking yourself, hey, are these channel analytics even accurate? Totally, they are accurate, and they are accurate in your favor. I think this is my experience, that there's always a bit more actually ending up on your AdSense account. I wonder what it would be like if my Google AdSense account is actually based in the United States, but it's based from Germany in the end. So maybe it's 100% accurate if it would be based in the United States. I don't know. All I can say is, from a German AdSense account in the end, where everything is set to euros, you actually get a bit more than what YouTube is suggesting and showing you on your channel analytics. So that's really cool. And I just wanted to share this with you because I think it's something that a lot of people ask. I googled the question and I only found some answers on Reddit from 2017 or something, back in the days when Google AdSense even showed the YouTube metrics in AdSense themselves, but nowadays obviously they don't do this anymore. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.